How to cancel or edit a Ria transfer before it's sent. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you just send money using Ria Money Transfer, but then you realized you've made a mistake. Maybe you sent it to a wrong person, chose the wrong delivery method, or just changed your mind. Good news, you might still have time to cancel or edit the transfer before it's completed. In today's video, I'll walk you through exactly on how you can cancel or change a Ria transfer in today's year. What's possible, what's not, and what to do if the money has already been picked up. Let's get into it. Now, to answer the big questions, can you cancel a Ria transfer? The answer is yes, but only if the money hasn't been delivered or picked up yet. Once the funds are collected by the recipient or deposited into a bank or mobile wallet, the transfer cannot be cancelled or changed. So if you have made a mistake, time is everything. The sooner you act, the better your chances of cancelling or editing it. Now, when you can cancel or edit a transfer? You can cancel or edit a transfer only if it's still in progress. Basically, that includes statuses like pending, processing, and review, and lastly, waiting for pickup. You cannot cancel if the status shows completed, deposited, collected, cancelled, or refunded already. If the transfer is still pending, you can usually cancel it yourself using online or through the application. In some cases, you may need to contact the customer support. Now, how to cancel a Ria transfer step by step. Let's walk you through on how you can cancel a transfer on your own. Number one, you want to go ahead and head over to www.riamoneytransfers.com, and from here you just want to log in into your account, find the transaction that you want to cancel, and from there, if the status allows it, you'll see a cancel button. You then want to click it and confirm your cancellation. Now, to go ahead and check the status for your money, you can then head over to the official website once more, click on track a transfer, and from here you then want to put the order number or the PIN from the transaction that you have made. So how can you cancel using the mobile application? You want to open Ria App and log in, tap transfers, find the pending transaction, and then tap cancel transfer if it's available. You then want to confirm your request, and you should receive a confirmation email once the cancellation is processed. How to edit a Ria transfer? What if you don't want to cancel, but you just you just need to fix a mistake? Unfortunately, Ria does not allow direct editing of the recipient's name or delivery method once the transaction has been submitted. But here's the workaround. You must cancel the transaction first with the previous steps that I've mentioned. Then create a new one with the correct details. So if you type the recipient's name wrong or choose the wrong delivery method like cash pickup instead of bank deposit, you want to cancel it ASAP and redo the transfers correctly with the correct method and recipient's information. Now, what happens after you cancel? After you cancel the transfer, basically Ria will void the transaction. The money will be refunded to the original payment method. Now, depending on your payment method, it might take around 1 to 2 business days for debit or credit cards and up to 5 business days for bank transfers. The refund process is automatic, so you don't need to request it separately. You'll also receive email confirmation of the cancellation and refund details. Now, what if you can't cancel? Sometimes you might not see a cancel button, even if the status still says in review or pending. Here's what you need to do. First things first, you want to call Ria customer service immediately. In the US, you want to dial 1-877-443-1399. Check your region's number on their website to go ahead and contact their customer support. You want to be ready with your order number or PIN, the sender and receiver details, the amount, and the payment method. From there, you can then use live chat or email support. On the website or in the application, you can just click on the Contact Us button, select live chat, or submit an email ticket. Their team can sometimes cancel it manually if it's still in processing and you don't see the cancellation button. Now, what if the money has already been picked up or deposited? Now, if the money has already been collected at an agent, deposited into a bank account, received on a mobile wallet, then unfortunately, it's too late to cancel or edit the transfer. At this point, your only option is to contact the recipients directly and ask them to send back the money, which is completely voluntary. Ria cannot reverse a completed transfer even if it was sent in error. It's against the terms and conditions. Now, how to avoid these fatal mistakes, or these mistakes in the future? Let's talk about a few simple tips to avoid needing to cancel in the first place. First, you want to double check all the recipient's details before sending. You want to confirm the spelling of the name exactly as shown in their ID. So basically with this, all you have to do is to make sure that the ID matches in with the name that you have typed. You want to verify the delivery method. You don't want to mix up with bank, wallet, or cash. You want to send a small test transfer first if it's your first time sending to someone. From there, you can then go ahead and send the original amount after testing with a small amount. From there, you then want to use Ria's tracking page to keep an eye out on the transfer statuses in real time. Mistakes can happen, but quick double check can save you time and stress. And so, let's go ahead and review, or let's talk about a quick recap. Yes, you can cancel or edit a Ria Money Transfers, but only if the funds haven't been delivered yet. You can do it online, in the application, or by contacting a customer service if you cannot see the cancel button if it's still on pending on online or their application. Now, if the transfer is already completed, unfortunately, there's nothing Ria can do. But you have to contact the recipient and then have to ask the money back. Now, the key takeaway, you want to act fast and don't wait if you spot a mistake. If this video helped you out, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share it with someone who uses Ria or other transfer services. Drop a comment below. Have you ever needed to cancel a money transfers and how did it go? Once again, to avoid these mistakes, you want to double check everything from the number, the account details, recipient details, delivery method, and more. And from there, you won't even have to go ahead and consider doing this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.